Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking the device and opening Do Not Disturb or Focus. Once done, create a new custom rule. Name it for that person so you won't confuse it later. Next, choose the contact you want to exempt, add their phone number or account directly into the allowed list. You do this now because configuring the exception before enabling prevents missed permissions and makes activation instant and predictable when you switch the rule on. Now you refine what that exemption actually allows. Choose calls, messages, or both toggle each so only the contact can interrupt you. Once done, set the rule's scope. A time window, a location trigger, or leave it always active. Make sure the choice matches your need, because scheduled rules won't help ad hoc moments. Also decide on repeated call bypasses, enabling that catches emergencies from others, while disabling keeps turn the rule on and run a quick test with the exempted contact so you can confirm calls and messages come through. If the contact isn't getting through, check that you saved the correct number or account, verify app permissions and sync settings, and make sure group threads aren't blocking delivery. If problems persist, restart the device and recreate the rule. This often clears permission glitches, and once fixed, take a screenshot so you can recreate the exact setup later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.